good massage.
Today I'm heading to the beach. Just got onto the shuttle bus. Takes about seven minutes to get there. The beach is Nusa Dua. Just arrived at the private beach, Nusa Dua. You can do windsurfing here and other water sports, and where the bar is, they sell food as well. Walk out of here, across the road is another beach. This is called Grand Bali Beach Club. Over here is the bar. As you walk in, on your left, on your right is where I've got a massage. Just in here. Yum yum yum, she's eating again.
Hello, how are you?
This is the lovely lady who gave me a good massage.
Old woman.
Yeah.
My baby.
Oh, a baby.
My baby.
Yeah.
Bye.
Funny lady. This is just behind where the sun lounges are, the massage place. I think it was for an hour £10, 200k in their money. Going to send the drone up now to show you some footage from above.
All your stuff away and check out for the day. There's no time to waste when it's 100 degrees. Burns under my feet. Won't you have a drink with me? We head into town, see what it's about. Barely need a shirt though the sun has almost set. Make the most of it. I know we will dance and sing. Party in the streets and the city's on fire. Party in the streets and the city's on fire. There's a heat wave rolling in. There's music in the streets. We're moving to the beat. There's something in the air that makes the city come alive. A breeze that makes you high. city's on fire. There's a heat wave rolling in.
Relaxing in the sea. On Nusa Dua, private beach. Oh, nice and warm the sea, but a bit cloudy. No good for snorkeling. Thanks for watching the video, and please subscribe to my channel if you liked it and give me a thumbs up, and thanks for watching again. Hope you enjoyed it.